price or
Yes,
no need?
you can show and explain.
Okay. So as you all know, today basically we are showing our new Note Baby, which is the Note Edge. And as the name indicates, this is a very unique device that comes with an edge where you can literally put all your tools, all the things that you need, and it can be also act as like feet for your sport news, for your stock market, and stuff like this. And you can even customize it. You'll have your notification as well on the side. Of course, it has all the power of the Note 4 power in terms of camera, in terms of S-Note and S-Note taking capability, and the front camera that comes like 3.7 inch as well, plus the very premium and amazing look. That's a summary.
And when will it be available in the market?
Now the regular Note 4 actually is available as of 17th, as of tomorrow, day after. But the Edge will be it's a limited premium edition that will be available towards first week of December.
Is this a regional launch? Is it a regional launch or?
Yeah.
Is there anything else you'd like to mention?
Basically, as I mentioned, this is a very limited edition. It's going to be limited and premium. Even the price will be premium. We don't yet finalize the pricing, so it's going to be very premium, very small, very limited edition.